So the question we're going to do today is the letters FAI in oblique. So again, the grid is 10 by 10. Okay, so you need to count the boxes in the length and in the height, and you'll notice in the plan view here that the thickness this time is going to be 2 boxes thick, which means it's going to be 20 mil thick. All our oblique drawings up till now, the thickness was 10. Okay, so we'll have to keep that in mind when we're making 3D. But first of all, we're going to draw the letters as they are exactly here in 2D on our drawing sheet. Okay, so first thing you're going to do, find your start point, okay, and measure. Okay, so I'm going to mark 14 10mm marks. I'm going to draw one vertical line for the time being, and I'm going to draw my heights off of this. So count the boxes in your question sheet, and you should count 7. So that means we're going to go 70 mil high, and each box is 10 mil. Okay, now we're ready to draw our lines horizontally and vertically. So I'm going to start with my horizontal ones, nice and light. And then my vertical ones. Okay, so there's my grid drawn. Next thing, locate my points. Look at the question sheet and mark them on your drawing sheet. Okay, and then once you've all your points found for the letter F, you can do the lines in heavy. So there's my letter F. I'm going to skip the A for a minute because it's probably the hardest of the 3 letters. And I'm going to do a nice easy one, I. Okay, there's the I done, and now last one I'm going to do is A. Okay, you need to do these 2 construction lines in order to find this point, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, and once you've that done, you can finish the letter A. Okay, so that's the 2D of it done. Our next step is to make a 3D, where we're going to use our 45 degrees set square from every point that we will see. So in my letter I, I'm going to draw from that corner 45 degrees, this one, and this one. Okay, I'm not going to see this one because it's behind it. Okay, this time now we're going to measure 20 mil instead of 10, because they said that in the question. Okay, and when you've that 20 mil done on each 45 degree line, then you can do it heavy. Join the points. Okay, so there is the I. I'm going to do the F next because it's probably a little bit easier than the A. So again, 45 degree lines from any corner that you think you'll see. And then you're going to mark your 20 mil spaces again. And we're going to start doing some heavy lines. These 2 points, this one here and this one here, I haven't joined them to anything, but I know that they're vertical, and since it's behind the first step of the F, I can just stop there. So you're just drawing those lines vertical and stopping. Okay, and last letter, A. So this one here, it'll be going further back. So all I have to do is just draw it heavy until it meets the first line, and then it's out of my line of sight. Okay, but I do know it's going further back, but I don't have to measure it because I can't see it. This one, however, is going as far as this point. Okay, but unlike the F, it's not going vertical then. It's going at this angle. Okay, so if I joined this point to this at the front of it, I'm going to have to join this point to this one on the back. So I'm going to do this lightly first. Okay, so if I could see through walls, that would be what I could see. But I can't, so all I'm going to see is this much of it. And that is the letters FAI in oblique finished.